Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time seeing my face, it's Sassy Funke here, and I am here in Bali. Yes, having the most beautiful time, and I'm currently staying here at the Four Seasons in Jimbaran Bay. Probably put up a video of my Four Seasons stay at Sayan near Ubud, so you might see that video. I'll put the link up if you've not seen it yet. And I just checked in here and I thought it would be great for you guys to actually see how amazing the Four Seasons room, one bedroom villa in Jimbaran Bay looks like. So I'm literally going to go back to the entrance of the room. If it's your first time seeing my face, please do subscribe. I'm a Nigerian travel and content creator. I create videos on, travel, airline reviews, travel tips, travel vlogs. If that sounds interesting to you, please do subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it and you think the villa is amazing, and share it if you like it. So I'll step out now. So I'll show you guys how it is. So this is literally the entrance to the villa, and here is the villa right here. We are at room 101. Look at this cute doorbell right there, and this is the whole entrance to the door. There's a spotlight there, which I love. But how cute is this entrance? There's this super cute gazebo area right here with this lovely piece of art. There's a fan right there. There's a nice lounger chair here. This is literally the former villa at the hotel. You get this view. It's a beautiful view. It's probably one of the best views that you get. And this hotel I saw, guys, has so many villas, so many. Compared to the Cyan, it has so many villas, and I would advise that if you come here, you should definitely opt for a front row villa. It's way more expensive, but it is worth it. So here is the beautiful pool, which is super lovely. They say no diving, so I can't dive in that, but I can swim. And also right here is the lounger chairs with the umbrella in case it rains or the sun is too much. I'm loving this whole thing, guys. I'm loving this whole stone effect. So guys, now I'm going to show you the inside of the villa. There are two entrances to here. There's one right here. There's another one right over there, but I'll show you guys after. So let's go. Yes, so right there is the beautiful bed, and it's so lovely because they have all this flowers and things to jazz it up for you. Beautiful lampshade. I love this. Look at the stone, the intricate details of the stone. I love how, I think in Bali I've noticed that everything is done with such not love, but skill. Yes, such skill. There is the in-room dining, I assume. And it has, you can get champagne, you can get wine if you want. Ooh, I love how colorful this menu is. Isn't this so colorful, guys? Breakfast. I'm planning on getting my floating breakfast tomorrow there, so I'm so excited about that, actually. There's this three-seater sofa with two little chairs. It's so lovely. They got me flowers right here. I got some nice, how beautiful these flowers. And as a welcome, there's champagne or wine. I'm not sure what's in that. There's a bunch of fruits from the island, which look gorgeous. And they also give us a cake, and the cake is actually in the fridge. Right here is a television. And before I miss out again, that was the first entrance we came in through. And this is the second entrance with the gazebo right in the corner. So this is the room. Just have a look at this. Bed right there, the pool right there, the workspace right here, and sort of the loungy area right there. And right in front of me are these beautiful, beautiful double doors that you can open that now leads you directly to where you can store, I guess, all your luggage, and also a double door wardrobe. But this room right here, the bathroom, is totally one of my favorite parts. I love the lights, the whole light thing that's going on there. The light literally beams in. And of course, can you come to Bali without actually having a Bali bath with flowers in there? I don't think so. The bathroom is very simple. It has two, I guess, you know, his and her sinks. Lighting features are fire. It has all this little mini cabinets here. Super cute cabinet. I think another laundry bag, right? Towels. I love this table right here. It has all this, like, you know, bath salts, cooling gel, candle, and incense. The incense, I don't know which flavor this one is, Kenda Na, but the one we had at the Four Seasons in Sanyan was unreal. I like the fact that they've taken sort of the cultural elements of Bali or Indonesia and incorporated it in the architecture and also in the fabric, which I love. This is the second beautiful, you know, sink space here, and right in between these two sinks is the way to the shower. So there's an open style shower right here, which is lovely, and it has this ledge, which I absolutely love, and some lovely shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. To my right is the toilet. I love the fact that in Bali they have separate toilets and showers. Loving the whole wooden effect there and the light fixtures. And yes, guys, so this is literally the view. Minor element of this room that I really, really like is this is an outdoor private shower. Yes. Oh, yes. A rack to basically dry your clothes if you need be. But yeah, so this is literally the view from the shower. I'm definitely going to be taking time out to spend and enjoy myself in this private outdoor shower. So literally, guys, that is the room. I hope I've not missed out anything. I'm going to put up a blog post on my website, sassyfunke.com. Please do check it out if you want to know more about the rooms. I'm going to be a bit more detailed and also advise you guys which Four Seasons in Bali you should stay at based on what, because they're very different. Very, very different. But yeah, they're both very, very lovely, guys. Like, absolutely stunning. Like, look at the view again. Oh, I forgot to show you something. Here's the big plasma TV, and in between this wooden doors right here also is sort of like the mini fridge, the water, the ice box. I love the fact that they already have ice in the ice box on arrival already. And of course the mini bar right here with all the goodies and everything in there. So that is pretty much the whole room at the beautiful Four Seasons here in Jimbaran Bay. I really hope you enjoyed the room tour, and I really want to know what are the elements that you liked in the room. Is there anything that stood out to you? Like, leave me a comment below. Please like this, and help me grow. Like, if you have not subscribed and you really enjoyed seeing my face, my energy, or just enjoyed this video, you know, do subscribe and let me know what kind of videos you like for my channel too, so that I can create videos that are relevant to you. And look at this beautiful view, and I just got my breakfast delivered here, having myself some chicken sausages, some egg white omelets. I think there's some whole wheat toast in there, little pancakes, salad, fruit salad, and all that in front of this incredible view. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you on my next video. Much love.